Shemai Hello is a little musical parody to commemorate the ending of Season 3 of Enterprise. We're off to outer space. We're leaving Mother Earth to save the human race. Season 3 Enterprise. Traveling into the expanse, Archer puts on big boy pants. T'Pol's twitching from space crack, especially when she's rubbing down Trip's back. We must be strong and brave. Our home we've got to save. If we don't change Degra's mind, those reptiles will wipe out humankind. Archer has to steal warp coils in the Death Star we must foil. Then we'll return, and when we arrive, the show will survive with Season 3 Enterprise.